equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface 1866. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The issue with the Surface 1866 often arises when the screen becomes cracked or unresponsive due to accidental drops or pressure. If left unrepaired, this can lead to further damage, affecting the device's functionality and usability. To carry out the repair, you will need a heat gun, a suction cup, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a replacement screen. Begin by using the heat gun to gently warm the edges of the screen, making it easier to detach. Once warm, use the suction cup to lift the screen slightly, then insert the plastic opening tool to carefully pry it away from the device. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the internal components. After removing the screen, locate the display connector, which is usually secured with small screws. Carefully disconnect the cable using tweezers, ensuring you do not damage any surrounding parts. Next, take your replacement screen and connect it to the device, securing it with the screws you previously removed. When reassembling, ensure all cables are properly connected and that the screen is aligned correctly. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, consider using a protective case and being mindful of where you place your device. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.